This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by installing the full game and all updates while you still have an internet connection. GTA V requires about 80 GB of disk space on PC and additional temporary space during installs. Sign in once to Steam or the Rockstar launcher and let the platform register your license so offline mode will work later. Also create a manual backup of your save files to a separate folder or cloud sync location. That backup protects progress if a reinstall or troubleshooting is required. After registration, put your platform into offline mode so the game can launch without an internet connection. This is available in Steam, Epic, or Rockstar launcher settings. Turn off automatic updates and disable cloud save sync to prevent forced online checks that can interrupt startup. For single-player use, adjust firewall rules to allow Rockstar social club processes to run locally while avoiding ports for multiplayer. This supports legitimate offline startup, not bypassing DRM or accessing online features you do not own. Once configured, you can play the single-player story and most offline modes without a live connection. Remember that GTA Online requires a live internet connection and separate permissions. Regularly copy your save files to external storage and apply official updates when you reconnect to preserve compatibility and security, especially if you use mods. Never use unofficial cracks, keygens, or pirated files to force offline play. Rely on your purchased license and official updates to remain legal and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.